let's talk through the data that you can access through the Explorer API and sort of how to navigate the responses from each of the different endpoints that's available. Well, on a fundamental level, the altmetric database is composed of two categories of data and the relationships between those two elements. So the first is research outputs. These are published items like articles, data sets, books, book chapters, commentary pieces, etc. And when you do a search in the Explorer's advanced search, you're always applying some kind of filter to publications and returning results based on things like their publisher and date of publication and keywords, etc. The other category of data that the altmetric database is concerned with is mentions. So from any of the attention sources that we track, we'll pick up posts like policy documents or blog posts, and from those we will extract mentions. So